everyone, today I am going to draw hummingbird and hibiscus using color pencils. Let's get started. The items we need are paper and color pencils. First I am using black color pencil to draw the outline of the hummingbird. First, let's start coloring the hummingbird. For the first part, we will be using leafy green color. A bit of light green on top of it. Next, I'll be using light brown color. Leave a small circle gap for the eye of the hummingbird. Next, I'm using dark blue color. Dark brown color. Next, pink color. Dark blue color again. Now for the beak of the hummingbird, I am using black color. Leave a bit of space in that. Lightly give the black to make sure it does like gray, like this. For the next part, I will be using leafy green. On top of it, use medium yellow color. Next, dark brown color. In the white space, use light brown color lightly like this. Then, a bit of yellow ochre lightly. Again, use the yellow ochre for this part. On top of it, use light brown. Next, black. Use the same method we used for the beak. Next, grey color. First, give it lightly for the wings. Then, we'll be needing black color pencil to highlight the wing. Draw an outline again on top of it using the black. Now again, I am using grey color for the next wing. Now I am using black color for the eye. Be careful since there will be an eyeball inside. Make sure you don't color the eyeball like this. Now again use black for the leg part like this. Now I am using red color for the hibiscus. First draw the outline of the hibiscus. Now, give the red darker for this part. Give it light, again dark. Leave the center space for giving black shade. Do the same type for all of the petals. Now I'm using black color over here. Give it like this. Now from the center, use the red darker. And now use medium yellow color to keep dots like this. For the next hibiscus, use your red color again. Leave some gap over here. Now for the next part over here, give it completely red. Now use black color. For the next hibiscus over here, do the same way which we did for this. Next, I am using leafy green for the leaf and the stem. Over here, this is the sepal of the bud. Give half the side full of leafy green and other half light green color. Next, for the veins, use black color. Do the same for all of the leaves. This is the final view of my drawing. I hope you enjoyed my drawing. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.